Want to earn passive income on your crypto holdings without actively trading? Let's dive into how you can easily stake your cryptocurrency on Coinbase and start earning rewards. First, open your Coinbase app or log into your Coinbase account on a computer. Head over to your assets and look for the cryptocurrencies available for staking. Popular options often include Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and more. Coinbase clearly labels which assets are eligible for staking. Next to an eligible cryptocurrency, you'll see an Earn Rewards or a similar button. Click on this to begin the staking process. You'll then see a screen detailing how staking works, the estimated annual reward rate, and any potential lockup periods. Read this information carefully to understand the terms. Now, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Keep in mind any minimum staking requirements. Review the staking details. Last time, make sure you're comfortable with the amount and the staking terms. Click Confirm to initiate the staking process. Congratulations! You've successfully staked your crypto on Coinbase. Your rewards will automatically accrue over time, viewable within your Coinbase account. To unstake, simply navigate back to your staked asset and click the Unstake button. Keep in mind that some assets may have a cooldown period before they become fully available. And that's it. Earning passive income with crypto is easy on Coinbase. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.